In this episode of Gear Matters, we're going to be talking about 3 different types of riding pants to give you a better understanding of how each of these are purpose built for specific use cases. Let's start with street mesh riding pants. As the name suggests, these are made for tarmac ride, weekend getaway or something longer, and are possibly the most commonly used type of riding pants. When you fall on tarmac, you need high levels of abrasion and impact protection, which is why a genuinely good pair of street riding pants like Viaterra Spencer pants will have larger, genuine Investor Cordura panel as key abrasion areas and also use high quality armors for impact protection. In this case, we're talking about Type B, genuine CE Level 2 certified SAS-Tec armors for the knees and hip that offer wider and more effective coverage than smaller Type A armors of the same grade. Because these pants are made for summer riding, you will see large mesh panels that allow good levels of airflow, and you may also notice a significant amount of pre-curve. That is, the pant itself being shaped in such a way as to offer a maximum comfort and correct armor position when you are seated on a motorcycle. These pants also have a wider leg opening and adjustment zippers and cuffs so that you can easily wear them over different types of riding boots. On the other side of the spectrum, you have dedicated off-road pants like this Viaterra Corbett. Given the realities of riding off-road, you're best off using purpose-made knee protectors like knee braces or knee guard rather than the armors you would use in street riding gear. The Corbett pant is an outer shell that is used over your knee armors or knee braces to offer a high level of abrasion protection for the times when you can't keep it rubber side down. Since riding off-road is a very active and dynamic sport, this outer shell is extremely light and uses high-strength 3D mesh that will allow for more airflow than a regular mesh riding pant. Another very obvious difference is in that these Corbett pants are shorter and tapered towards the end. This is done so that they are easy to tuck inside your tall MX or off-road boots without any unnecessary fabric that can cause discomfort inside the boot. Possibly the most overlooked type of protective riding pant is the one that you use on your everyday commute. Just because you're riding in traffic or at slower speeds does not mean that you do not need protective gear. These Viaterra Austin denims are made to look and feel exactly like your regular jeans. But don't let that deceive you. The low-profile, lightweight SAS-Tec Type B armors used in these jeans offer genuine CE Level 2 impact protection at the knees and hips, while still allowing these pants to be genuinely comfortable enough for all-day use. You can walk in them, ride in them, stand around in them, and possibly never notice the armor at all. They can be combined with boots and outfits from your everyday wardrobe and even have the familiar 5-pocket layout that you would find on regular denims. There are always people who find that they can or want to use one type of gear for different kinds of use. Using the right kind of gear for the right kind of task is far more likely to achieve the best outcome. If you found this video useful, please do share it with a friend that you think might like. Do it, subscribe, and stay tuned to Viaterra's channel for more content about all things motorcycling. See you in the next one.